Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get a free hosting account. I've actually researched on several of the free hosting accounts out there, and then I've selected only this one as the best one to use. Okay, so let's all go through the registration process, and then from there we'll use that account in learning. Okay, so the name of the hosting account or the company is infinityfree.com. Great, so this is it. So we are going to use infinityfree.com to get our free hosting account. Now let's move down and then see some of the benefits that comes with this free hosting account. So as you can see here, what you get with Infinity Free. So we have 5 GB disk space, which is good, pretty good. Unlimited bandwidth, awesome. PHP, your database, your free domain names, and you can also attach your registered domain name. Okay, so if you don't want to use their subdomain, you can actually add your own domain. So to register, you just have to come here and then click on the button register now. Okay, so when you click on that button, it's going to bring you to this interface. Sign up for Infinity Free. So you can either sign up with your GitHub account or you can sign up with your Gmail account, which I recommend. Or you can as well go ahead and then input your email password and then you confirm the password again, verify you are human, and then you sign up. So I have already done that with my Gmail account. So what I will do here is to sign in. Okay, so the sign up is pretty simple. Just follow the screen instructions and then you are good to go. So let me log in and then show you something. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account. Okay, so let me select the Google account I want. Then input the password as well. Then let me verify the login. This is actually done to prevent someone else from accessing your account. Okay. Okay, so let me request for code. Okay, so now that I have the code, let me just input it and then click on next. Awesome. So this is how your account dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so I already have an account here, so let me guide you through. You can create 3 accounts, so let me guide you through. Let's say you don't have any, so when you open it freshly, it will be 0 out of 3. So let's create another account. So what you have to do here is we are dealing with Infinity Free. So you come here and then you select this plan. So let's wait and then verify we are human. Awesome. So now what we'll do here is that we have to select the domain extension. Okay, so select domain extension. So I'm going with kisak.com. Then let's have our subdomain now. Okay, so for the subdomain, let's use my WP WordPress tools. Okay, my wptools.kisak.com. Then we check for availability. Great, so it's available. So account label, so you can go for website for my WP tools, for my WP tools. Okay, so you can name it however you want. Then the username will be generated automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. And then the password will be there. You can actually change it if you want. Then for email consent, you can come here and then click on approve. Then you go to create account. So the account is being set up. So let's wait a bit and then we'll be through with that. Awesome. So now our account is ready. So you can see it, website for my WP tools. Okay, so in our next video we are going to learn how to install the WordPress. Okay, so we are going to learn the installation of the WordPress. So if you like this tutorial and you want to see more, kindly subscribe to the channel, and then we'll create more for you, and you will definitely be the first person to receive the notification. Thank you.